I just graduated from Technical University of Munich where I did my master's degree in computer science. And now I work in Amsterdam at a company where every software engineer dreams to work at, but only less than 0.5% actually get it. Today, I'm gonna tell you how I achieved this and how a good university can actually help. So, Technical University of Munich. It is considered to be one of the best technical universities in the world, but is it really that good? Well, I never really studied in other of the top 10 universities in the world, but I did my master's in TUM, and I'd say it's pretty good. And it definitely has some nice benefits to it. First of all, that it's all of the master studies are in English, so I didn't have to learn any additional language. Also, the studies are free, so I never paid anything for my education. It's also located in Munich, which turned out to be a really nice city, and I really enjoyed it. It also has world-class professors and really motivated students. But the main thing it has is some really nice career events. These are the events where companies come to the TUM and advertise their open positions. And there are quite a lot of companies that want to hire a person from TUM. So one thing for sure is that you will not end up homeless after graduating TUM. Also, some people imagine it quite hard to be studying at such a top university, but it's really not that hard. I was able to work part-time for the whole 2 years of my master's in TUM and still had a pretty nice social life. So I wouldn't say it's hard. Somewhere around after my third semester, I started applying to different companies. To some of them, I even had a referral from TUM, from these career events, which actually really helps and was really nice. So at first, I started applying to companies that I wasn't that much interested in because I wanted to just try out this whole interview procedure thing and just get better at it. I know it doesn't sound too fair in relation to companies, but I realized that it was my best shot because a lot of organizations prefer to hire right after graduation. So I knew that I had to do the best I can over there. So when I trained this interview process with this sort of unwanted companies, I then moved to the companies that I would really like to work at. This was like a list of 5 companies at most, and I applied to all of them. And the really nice thing is that I actually got interview invites from all of them, which I guess speaks to the name of TUM. So all of those companies had pretty much like 6 interviews in total, which is quite a lot. I guess over a course of 2 months, I had like 50 interviews in total. And out of those 5 companies that I've applied to that I would really like to work for, I got 3 full-time offers. So first company was Databricks, which is a really, really fast growing startup. They developed this cloud-based platform for large scale data analytics. I obviously cannot disclose any of the offers that I got, but you can just look at the Levels website and the opinion they have on the approximate salary of those companies. So Databricks was the first offer that I got, and I was like really excited about it. I thought that I would end up signing this offer and started working for them. But as I was about to sign that offer, I got another 2. Second offer I got was from the company called IMC Trading. They do trading at a lot of different markets, a lot of different exchanges at a really high frequency. It's also a really nice company, and the offer was great, but I also had to decline it because the third offer that I got was from Optiver. And Optiver is also a high frequency trading company and a huge sponsor of TUM. So pretty much every career event they were there, and they were like the diamond sponsor of it, which is quite amazing, to be honest. So I'm not even kidding, but like at least a half of the students of TUM just dream of working at Optiver. This company gave us a lot of talks at the university about how they trade at the speed of light, and like literally at the speed of light within nanoseconds. They also have a lot of talks in the main C++ conference, which really fascinated me. So I couldn't even believe my eyes when I received an offer from them. As you can imagine, I ended up signing this offer, and since then my life just changed dramatically. So even before I started working at Optiver, they made sure to engage me in all possible different ways. For example, they flew me into Amsterdam for a day in the office, all expenses covered. They helped me with the relocation to Amsterdam as well. Usually relocation is quite a tough procedure where you have to do all by yourself, but here it was all covered by the company. I literally just had to send my preferences and they did it all by themselves. So yeah, now I'm just really enjoying my life, enjoying the work, enjoying Amsterdam, and all of that thanks to Optiver, of course. But the main reason of me getting an offer from Optiver in the first place is TUM. They gave me the right knowledge, the right people, the right connections, and only then did I manage to get into a company of my dream. TUM has helped me unlock this very big next step in my career, and I'm really grateful for it. If I had to tell you the main thing that I've learned over the past 2 years, it would be this. Don't be afraid of having big ambitions. So I hope you guys don't stop yourself from dreaming big.